Mame Mao Akwaba and Faumbra Ghana and Sem TVGH so or frame Adwa searching. I was from Mr. I won't subscribe here, Mr. No subscribe near notification bell also for more news.
Mahama, what can I say me but now no sem na woka no only boom frama Emma frama na kwete say omu de kodie na Supreme Court chire mu dia yempene say we are the beko parliament 2 year the beba Ghana for ho enti obetimi aka na bia Supreme Court say na parliament agia tum president parliament jutum the beba Ghana ha yen semtrofo ye kasa ye ma wo ba aban mu no sa kasa na ye kasa ye bi man kofo te yen kasa yen tuntia MPP ne ntoma no sa kasa na bi ena nyame adom ye be kasa ama nkofo ato a reject say term bi baswa yempene. It means you are selfish. And I don't want to believe President John Mahama you are a selfish person. I don't want to believe. But so peneso ma Supreme Court na ye ni aso betimi akotete na akopene a oye nipa bonini. You are a selfish person. Prove to us say 4 years na na di amount ma obi kwan no nso meye na adwuma ni bi. We cannot allow politicians we cannot allow politicians to take out for ransom. Yentimi yentena se na the bia ne ho kire. It cannot be. We should not allow it. It can never be.
It has turned to 24-hour economy arresting. It has turned 24-hour economy arresting. Where is it? There is nothing. And somehow I own manifesto one single thing coming to be implemented. One. And it has turned to different things. We Kasabebri Women's Development Bank. That baby. Dabaya 24-hour economy. A great Muslim guy away. And ne ubi kasa krafa agree kunya kwachi ewen hey ewen siafo we and now what good board a big man asen the kwachi by say when I say ya no asen the kwachi why jobi so dwan ho preku and ne sameje fi na say ya oba hunu apai na sin the con ni parfum siaman we jimi fo boy we ke ken kwasem we na mo ba ye na se mo ye active e wono ma wo kan no mo jana mo chin kwasem ye no ma ehun unnecessary arrest awu jimi koy obi ye be hu mo fisuko siampeni arbitrary there and Human Development Bank and the bank and the bar John Mahama initially when he say and John Mahama initially when he say 24-hour arrest TikTok arrest and more that's a police force and so much for that's it Krasini biba papa say Frisco we 24-hour economy.
It's a mama, they'll be to my enemy. Oh no, o judge for the name, o see you so one. They'll be to my enemy. What do you mean a guasser? Manim and a guasser. Now, me say, dear, almost where my boy, a NDC for. Mamma, appointment. Mamma, too money. Savage and Finum. We have more book a cake. Now, there is more book a see a pani Ibrahim Mahama. Bro. Osun review, Osun refi. Moji double salary, Osun refi. Na wo judge ni awo tena sa case we so no. Nyame ehun, unu nyame ne bedi. Now we will cleanse the judiciary. Wait and see. 2013, you did the same thing to me. Oko beneni excavators nyina sene nyama nyina. He went to court and won against you. It's your time our time the dada. Your time won't to me the dada because ya santini obo na homo den sen oni wabusua because Dom Mahama oh papa no e konfo okoye generator etu da mon koso sa matima fana to 100 years matima fana ko fire squad e se mo nya hwe ne Ibrahim Mahama de wo de mi su brebre after 2028 me see mi su brebre the media optics no it will not save you the SCA the media optics it will not save you say obi say untumi akwaje concession na nya untumi na ye galamsey no untumi dia ma obi and ode ye galamsey there's no evidence to that effect but because Mahama person o jelly no because of your santini o jelly no because what brasing Mahama nti continue to do it matras ya jelly no me say mun suma mo hone mo ma NDC for mun suma mo hone mo ma Ibrahim Mahama suma wo ho ene wo ma de wo ne wo brother ne ye okro me say suma wo ho ene wo ma this will ginger Asante for this will ginger the base of the MPP and you vote massively to take you out of power what the exam mo threat term dem mo fanto ba bi kura na nya dia Mahama no be ba ballot no so ma Ibrahim Mahama o ye mo bokeke o ye mo bo eda pese odi o wiase be o dey di in the business circle. But in 2029, we will show you where the power lies. And Mahama Dubaumia cannot tell us to stop. And nobody can convince him to stop jailing you. We will go back in the days. All the dark checks are all the criminal activities are all. We will show you where the power lies. Continue. Mr. Mahama, continue. Continue. Sa general political general kasaro unibi. Home sense and kasaro unibi. We are a very evil, vindictive person. We are jealous. We are jealous of the young guy. We are there or sin. We are there about bra. And you're politically no de you. No, you wound to me that. And you continue to be wound to me. Fanny Tum. Yibaba be yino. Nye yini we are Muamakano. Munsuma honemo ma.
We aye John Dramani Mahama. And away ya kwakua nidoho. We aye Dr. Mahmoud Baumi. Abusia breaking news me no saying. And ne Mahama amaya jelly to me 20 years ewo prison as a jenibel 100 billion. Abusia enya no kwame no saying. John Mahama ni NDC for akọ pass mrebi e fra no tribunal law address bia no Mahama e for court abesi won to be kono na NDC for to hu yo machine ye di wasam de wakotum eno na baumia e de strong warning kwakwa nyido hu and after parliament akasa tie de akoso
Mr. President, do not assent to this bill. This is not a partisan request. The Trades Union Congress, the voice of millions of Ghanaian workers, has called for the bill to be withdrawn altogether, warning that in its current form, it could become a potent tool for weaponizing justice delivery.
Is it going to be in charge of civil matters or criminal matters? Mr. Speaker, I am asking rhetorically. Respected Leonard, you must listen to me. You have your opportunity to have a bite. This is unfair. Respected Leonard Attorney General, first gentleman at the bar. This approach is wrong. This is wrong. You have your bite. You have a bite in the mic.
Honorable Minority Leader, Honorable Attorney General,
and I'm your senior in
both
this chamber.
Of you should resume your seats.
I'm your senior.
Honorable,
but I'm your senior here, and I'm your senior here.
Both of you should resume your seats.
Chaos. That is what the tribunal will do. What you are doing is what the tribunal will do. They should let us speak.
Both of you resume your seats.
The tribunal system. This is the tribunal system. This is the tribunal
Honorable
system.
Minority Leader, Attorney General, both of you should resume your seats.
Tribunal system of justice. Tribunal system of justice. That's what you are practicing.
Where are we getting all this dangerous, obnoxious third term agenda coming from? Why has it suddenly found heavy space within Ghana's narrative? Who are these pushing this? Bible says surely they will gather and take counsel. But you know, it shall come to naught.
Ghana for Munti. The cost na arefo. Sesi amena o kasai wonto media Mahama and then the judges a piano na question 20 years. Now, court no a Mahama so dey ba South Tribunal Court. Who Ghana na we NDC ni tie dey make. O dey in fact, even NDC for kwasiafo no kra na e bia Jimmy no mibusa wo. The Ghana here sesi any court. Now, court na no mo ye dey. Abden na wo say sesika asako bie court. No ko say NDC party officers do makoto na wo. Na sabimi me hu yo machine no mo de ma ya pia me de ma kwhim. Is it fair? Na Mahama yi ado person odi Ghana so forever and ever na ye bisa wo Sajo Mahama inti adwuma ade ahye ne nsan ene san kwase asement wodi etayo it is so stupid foolish decision say omanya yetewa konkofo nya adwuma nye hwe die chronicity e de pa na papa ya ba ye watimi aya a enne ukọ bie court every district hwesika odi kọ bie court no odi bie adwuma ede so etua adwuma fo kan nye odi mi bisaw na we to the NDC full soldiers no NDC nkwase afo no a uka bibia no omo jime no eti Ghana your priority any court to be any tribunal be na ni nyina ne say to persecute the political opponent sab wa on ka bi Mahama bia no ne ya pianto be kɔ no malam bia ne na betra ho NDC full soldier bi ne akɔtena betra ho so we jet no wodi wasem no wodi akɔtum kwasiala say sa ne ya kyekere wo man ye de wo man agyawa nkwase asem say na ewetu wa ye ka kyerɛ mo say Mahama no ankasa no oye common Mahama ni mama